Hello everybody, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix this error in try-hack-me boxes. So when you try to reverse sell or to connect the victim IP with yours, so you get an error. So basically what you need to do for this to work is to disable your firewall. So what you can do is sudo apt get install ufw. So it's a firewall, so let's get installed. So I have already installed it. So basically I'm at my upload, right? So let me just do enter. Let's wait for it. And so it's not working, right? So you can see it's not working. So what I can do is just reload it and just do this sudo ufw disable, and let's do enter. Now I get a connection. One more thing, so if you are using a reverse cell generator, so use your tunneling IP address as an attacker IP address, then you will get a sale. Thank you guys.